Santali language, also known as Santali language, is the most largely spoken language of Kharwari subfamily of the Austric group. Related Munda, Ho, Khadia, Mahali, etc. Santali language is spoken mainly in Indian state of West Bengal, Jhargram, Orissa, Bihar, Assam, etc. Santhal exactly is a tribe. The true identity of Santals lies in their language, literature, culture, rituals, religious matter, etc. Without society, no human being can exist in this world. Likewise, Santals too have their own society. For the well functioning of this society and in order to maintain peace in the villages and among the peoples, the society have their elected members. The village Modahor means village five peoples who vary jealously far from their duties. These Modahor are Maji, Chok Maji, Nake, Godet and Farani. Thank you.